Hi friends, welcome to our channel, Swami Study Point YouTube channel. Today I will discuss wave chapter. Now waves, sir. Waves means what? First waves means, sir. Okay, this waves is chapter is weightage for JEE Mains and MSET and NEET. Okay, waves means what is a wave? Wave means disturbance of the particle, the changes, momentum and energy one place to another place without particle of the momentum. Okay, that is called waves. Waves is a two types. First one is mechanical wave. Mechanical wave. Second one is non-mechanical wave. Mechanical wave and non-mechanical wave. Mechanical wave means the which of the wave having a medium is called mechanical wave. Example, sound waves. Next, non-mechanical wave means the waves which have the do not need a medium is called non-mechanical wave. Example, light waves. Next based upon a medium, mechanical waves is a classified two types. First one is longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Second one, transverse wave. Transverse waves. Now longitudinal wave means longitudinal waves. The waves is propagated to the medium is parallel to the direction is called longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. This is the wave. This is the wave. The longitudinal wave means this is the wave is a parallel to the direction of the propagate of the wave is called longitudinal wave. When the longitudinal wave in this formed the compressions. This is the compressions and rarefactions. Compressions. And this is the rarefactions. Compressions means nearly lines is formed. Rarefactions is having this some distance. This compressions means nearly lines formed. Next, this is the rarefactions are the distance between the two successive crests is called wavelength. The distance between the two successive rarefactions is called lambda wavelength. The successive between the two successive between the compressions is called wavelength. Next, transverse wave. Transverse wave means the wave. The wave is propagated to the medium is perpendicularly is called transverse wave. Transverse waves in this form crest and trough. Crest and trough. The distance between the two successive crest is called wavelength. The distance between the two successive troughs is called wavelength. Transverse wave in the formed the transverse wave in the formed the stretched string or light waves. This is the longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Next I will explain what is the node and antinode. Node and antinode. First I will explain node and antinode. Node means what? Node means zero displacement is called node. Zero displacement is called node. Zero displacement is called node. Antinode means maximum displacement is called antinode. What is the distance between the node and node? Node and node lambda by 2. What is the distance between the antinode and antinode? Lambda by 2. The distance between the node and antinode lambda by 4. The distance between the antinode and node lambda by 4. This is the very important JEE Mains and MSET and NEET none. Next I will explain orgone pipes. Organic pipes. Organic pipes is classified two types. First one is closed pipe. Second one is open pipe. Closed pipe means one end is open, one end is closed is called open pipe. What is the open pipe ratio? This is the wave, this is the node, this is the antinode. What is the first wave, first harmonics length? L equal to lambda by the distance between the node and antinode means lambda by 4. Lambda equal to 4L. Okay, general wave equation V equal to n lambda, n equal to V by lambda. Now n equal to V by lambda, lambda means 4L. This is the first harmonic formula. Okay, the closure pipe ratio 1:3:5. Important JEE mains and NEET. Bit important. MCET also important. Next to open pipe. Open pipe means what? Both ends are open. Is called open pipe. Okay, this is the first harmonics. This is the node. This is the antinode. This is the antinode. The distance between the antinode and antinode lambda by 2. Now lambda equal to 2L. Okay. What is the general wave equation? V equal to n lambda. Now n equal to V by lambda. Now n equal to V by lambda means what? 2L. This is the first harmonics formula. What is the open pipe ratio? 1:2:3. Important this. Okay. Closed pipe ratio 1:3:5. Open pipe ratio 1:2:3. Okay. Next to laws, fundamental laws. Okay, fundamental laws na. A fundamental laws first equation n equal to 1 by 2L. Okay, 1 by 2L T by mu under root. Okay, this is the important fundamental frequency formula. Okay, n means fundamental frequency, L means length, T means linear tension of the wire, mu means linear density. Okay, first harmonics formula, fundamental frequency is directly proportional to length. Next, second equation, fundamental frequency is directly proportional to, okay, square root of the tension. Next, third equation, fundamental frequency is inversely proportional to the square root of the linear density. Okay, again I will explain. First equation, the fundamental frequency is inversely proportional to the length. Remaining